Do you know who that is?
Who's that?
That's my hoe.
Oh.
Representing.
She ready? Did you hire you yet?
Yep.
Not on payroll.
She's the chief CTO.
Wow, what does it mean?
It's a secret.
You're gonna fight with a flight attendant? Why?
Yeah, because this bag fits within their little like screener, but it looks so massive they will never let me take it on the flight, even though it fits within their stand thing.
Does Val not have pre-check? Why?
Because she's trying to get her passport, so they have a birth certificate. She's in the peasant line. This is what peasants very look like.
You poor, Val?
Non-pre-check.
Very.
Wow.
Mostly Justin's charity.
So my parents just told me they're on that plane right there.
Wait, why?
They're sitting in the window seat.
Why?
Just because they're going to Phoenix. I don't know if you can zoom in, but they're in the window seat. IV? Because we're on the road all the time, dehydrated, exhausted. I put up with the bullshit that my team gives me, especially Dan. And this just helps me forget about it all. The new alcohol numbs you from the pain. So right now, we are sponsoring so many events for Apex that we're going to be in Dallas like 80 to 90 days this year. So we decided instead of paying for hotels, that we're just going to buy a house. So currently, or that's at least the plan. I mean, I'm not saying we are because it hasn't been done yet, but we are currently driving around to look for houses. So that way, we're going to spend 24 grand a year on hotel fees. We might as well just spend 24 grand a year on a mortgage and actually get equity and not just throw it away. So this is kind of an extreme thing. We literally sponsored so many events in the city that we now have to live here. Also, I'm a little tight on cash this year, so I brought my money bags with me and help invest in real estate.
Money bags?
Money bags.
Money bags. Neighborhood's a little sketchy. We have a couple broken down cars, a couple busted out windows. It's a little, I don't know, we'll see the inside, we'll see. It has a pool.
The pool looks really nice. Pool looks nice. Good for a dip. Again, investment, babe. Investment purposes. Usually, well, it's a little bit older than a house. But that's where the money's made. We can paint it any color we want. Really spruce it up. I mean, Valerie's gonna do all the work on it, so.
Needs a little more greenery. There's no greenery. The grass is dead.
Well, that's because it's winter. My ideal Dallas home has lots of space for all the fun activities like poker, blackjack, a little bit of rummy, a little bit of strip poker.
Justin.
Maybe a little more strip poker and a little more. And a little more.
The only person that's stripping.
And a little more.
The only person that's stripping is Justin. Yes.
Remember last night when we were laying in bed and you're like, hey,
I'm scared.
back in your real estate days, did you ever just bang anybody while you were in the house? Well, not until now. I feel like you get your real estate license revoked.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a secret.
Yeah, but you don't know how many homes these days are like. I mean, there's 15
Val.
cars on this one.
The realtor.
Dan, I like all houses because I think you can literally, this is my opinion on a lot of things. I think as long as you're always buying homes with 30-year intentions, you could literally buy any home. You could literally overpay for about $100,000. As long as you're keeping it for 30 years, you're always going to have a great investment. But with that being said, sometimes in life, there's a specimen that roams the earth called a woman that cares about more than just financials. And so, because I'm a changed man now, we're gonna have to think more than just buy everything.
I don't think anyone buys a house and keeps it for 30 years anymore, so I don't know how
Well, that's
accurate.
because they're shitty investors.
Secondly, I think the house needs a lot of work. And Justin already has 5 million things on his plate and can't manage a renovation, so.
Do you know what else needs a lot of work yet we keep it around? Me. So I don't know what her excuses are.
Facts. Major facts.
I think in this market that the Nick Good home team says that if that's a $360,000 home, I think we can get it for $120,000. And if we can't, Nick Good sucks ass.
That's exactly what that means. Nobody else but Nick.
Nick, if you can get me that home for $120,000, I will pay cash for it tomorrow. Yeah, but at least all this looks like, at least I think I took care of this.
Do as well as I do in this business. The fact that I have a hard time opening up doors.
Oh, I always struggle with doors too.
But I even do it at home though. Like sometimes I'll
Run into my own door.
I don't know. I don't think any of these are it, but
Well, she's wrong. We're buying one of them, Dan. Offer submission, done.
Most afraid of this trip.
getting kidnapped by my driver.
What am I most excited about? Is that what you said?
What are you most excited about, Justin?
The fact that Val's leaving.
So we right now are in Oakland, California. I believe it was too rainy for me to actually see any signs to confirm such existence of city. Right now I'm eating a banana. I really wanted to eat like 92 croissants, but Dan said no. He said I'm on a weight loss journey. We're in Oakland, we're about to speak. This is my life, right? Got up at 7 a.m. Had to share a room with Dan and Valerie. Don't ask any questions, kind of weird, but whatever. Ran into some hotel snafus, changed flights. I love Southwest because you can change flights to whatever. Flew in at, or left at 7 a.m. Flew here for 4 hours. Gonna stay here for a few hours and then gonna speak and then literally go to the airport, fly back to Dallas to then get on another flight tomorrow morning to go somewhere else that Valerie told me I had to be at. So yeah, that's my life.